Mhm.
So we had this concept for fun, and we called it a party.
Mhm.
That was our secret terminology. Everything was a party. We're unloading a semi today. Well, actually, we're unloading three semis today. We're having a moving party. So just that word
Mhm.
changes everybody's idea,
Yeah.
everybody's thoughts for the whole day.
Mhm.
And everybody that would be around us on that construction site, and they heard, hey, Designer Walls is having a party today. They really didn't know what we were talking about. And they all wanted to know what was happening. But it
Mhm.
was that kind of fun that we
Mhm.
developed and created that
Mhm.
really, now we're moving like we're having a party. We are moving furniture so fast, it's ridiculous. We are sanding walls so quick because we're having a sanding party today.
Nice.
So that sort of was like our secret code word for it's going to be a really kick-ass day today. Okay.